Hi guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to make a clickable thumbnail on YouTube. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So whether you're a seasoned content creator or you're just starting out, one thing that you will always strive for is more views and engagement from your YouTube videos. And that's where we're going to come in today. So I'm very excited to actually share some valuable insights with how we can create eye-catching and clickable YouTube thumbnails that will not only capture your viewers' attention but also significantly boost your click-through rates or CTR. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of thumbnail design, let's take a moment to understand why thumbnails are so important. Well, you see, when someone searches for a video on YouTube, they're presented with a long list of video suggestions. So your thumbnail is like the first impression your video makes on your potential viewers. It's the gateway to your content. A captivating thumbnail will make viewers stop scrolling, click on your video, and watch it. And that's precisely what we want to achieve. Also, one thing that we need to talk about is the click-through rate or CTR. In simple terms, CTR measures the percentage of viewers who click on your video after seeing your thumbnail compared to the total number of impressions. A higher CTR indicates that your thumbnail is compelling and appealing to your target audience. It means people are not just seeing your video but actively clicking on it to watch more. A healthy CTR is a clear sign of engaging content and can have a positive impact on your video overall performance and visibility on YouTube's algorithm. So, the biggest question is how do we create thumbnails that drive up to our CTR? Well, it's a combination of art and science. So, we need to find a sweet spot where aesthetics meets audience appeal. And today I'll be sharing you practical tips and techniques to achieve that one. Let's get started with the first one. First, you need to select a high quality image. So, of course, we do not want to see a YouTube video with a not so nice click through or clickbait video. So, the first step in creating a clickable YouTube thumbnail is choosing a high quality image. So, related to your video's content as well, of course. So, it should be relevant at the same time. It should be clear, visually appealing, and relevant to entice viewers to click. You can use your own images if you do have, or you could also find royalty free images on websites like Unsplash and Pixabay. So, those are actually some examples where you can get royalty free images on the internet. Moving on to the second one, add an attention grabbing title. So, aside from your design, your title is also a must have or is a very important thing in your thumbnail. So, by adding an attention grabbing title to the thumbnail, it should be short, descriptive, and bold so that it should be easy to read as well. You can actually use graphic design tools like Canva or GIMP to create your thumbnail as well. Another one is that you could also use like AI such as Adobe. There are good um, AI there's a good AI platform in Adobe where you can actually design your click through or thumbnail. Okay, now next is that we should use vibrant colors. So, colors play a crucial role in making your thumbnail stand out. Use vibrant and contrasting colors to make your text and images pop. Bright colors like red, orange, or yellow often work well, but make sure they align with your brand and video's tone as well. Of course, as much as possible, try to see whether the colors actually match or whether or not it looks good on your click-through um, thumbnail. All right, moving on. So you should also incorporate branding elements. Well, consistency is key, of course, in building our brand on YouTube. This includes your channel's logo, or any recognizable branding element in your thumbnail that makes it your own. This will actually help viewers associate the thumbnail with your content and increase your brand recognition as well. Next one is you need to add clickable elements. So to make your thumbnails more interactive, consider adding clickable elements. So for example, you can use arrows, circles, or pointers that guide viewers' attention to specific areas of the thumbnail. This also emphasizes which element we're gonna see or which element is the emphasis on your video or what's your video all about. And these elements encourage viewers to click and watch the video at the same time. Next is you need to test and optimize it as well. So, creating clickable thumbnails is an ongoing process. It's essential to test different thumbnails designs over time and analyze their performance using YouTube Analytics. Try to pay attention to which thumbnail get more clicks and use that data to optimize future designs. So as much as possible, do not settle for one design. Try, you know, experimenting and try to see which fits best and which aligns your branding as well in your YouTube video. Lastly, keep it simple and clear. So avoid cluttering your thumbnail with too much text or necessary details. Keep it simple and clear, and also easy to understand at a glance. They're actually very minimalist CTRs or thumbnails on YouTube that would really attract the people's attention. It doesn't really need to be having a lot of elements, or you don't really need to put a lot of things. Just make it relevant to your topic or to your video content, and it's already good to go. Also, remember that your thumbnails are often viewed on small screens at the same time, like mobile devices, your tablets, and whatnot. So make sure the important elements are visible, even the thumbnail size. And that's a wrap on our tutorial about creating clickable YouTube thumbnails. I hope you found these tips and techniques helpful in enhancing your thumbnail game and ultimately boosting your click-through rates. Remember, a captivating thumbnail is your ticket to grabbing viewers' attention and driving more clicks to your videos. By selecting high-quality images, adding attention-grabbing titles, using vibrant colors, and incorporating brand elements, you'll set yourself up for a success on YouTube. Don't forget to continuously test and optimize your thumbnail designs based on YouTube Analytics data. It's a continuous learning process that will help you refine your approach and stay ahead in the game. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it valuable, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support encourages us to create more contents like this to help you grow as a content creator. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see the fantastic thumbnails that you'll be creating for your videos. Bye!